not my fault. You're a guy eh?
Son, how's the relationship with your girlfriend?
Okay lor.
Any plans?
BTO coming soon lor.
Girlfriend most important must have good temper like me.
Of course, her temper very good one.
That's nice.
Why? What's your never reply me?
I'm busy with work what?
I see you online leh.
Aiyo, I work, I use laptop, I open a lot of tab what. Then just like my WhatsApp, I never close, that's why online lah.
But then you never tell me though.
You never ask what.
So now you need to take the initiative to text me what?
Okay, I tell you what, my fault.
Of course your fault like it's not my fault. You're a guy eh? You must take the initiative what?
I say sorry already what.
Sorry but you're my boyfriend, so everything you have to take the initiative.
Yes, I think your girlfriend is very good already.
Yes, mother, she's just like you.
You know, as a girl, it's not easy, you know. Early wake up, got to do housework, got to do washing, got to prepare food for you, got to go grocery. A lot of things to do, not easy as a girl. So you must treasure her. My son, can you start finding interior designer yet? You know your uncle is an interior designer. You can contact him and find him, see what the best he can help you.
Don't worry lah, my girlfriend can settle one. She use Renopedia.
Oh, that sounds very good.
Hey baby you see our PTO coming out soon How about we find our uncle do renovation?
Your uncle don't know design one lah. Anything with family very awkward one.
Then I got this secondary school friend called Edmund maybe we can find him.
Don't want lah. Anything with friends also very awkward one.
Okay lah, I tell you what, we go use Renopedia lah, the online renovation platform. Can get 5 to 8 quotes. Then at the same time, you engage interior design firm, you got chance to win 50k.
Aiya, why need so many code?
We slowly search lah ourselves
Why so troublesome leh?
Then how?
Use Renopedia lah, the online renovation platform. You can find up to 5 to 8 codes from interior designer. And what's more, right? You can use this chance to win up to 50k. See lah, everything also I make decision.
Since you so good, right? How about you sign up on Renopedia lor?
Aiya, I already help you with the idea. This kind of thing you cannot yourself do meh?
Okay, I sign up.
My son, I think your girlfriend is very good. She help you this and help you that. You must treasure her.
Okay lor.
Hold on, your father call. Hello? I asked you to go Sheng Siong to buy something. You're so stupid, you go to NTUC. Such a simple thing you don't know how to do, is it? Everything I must do, is it? So stupid. Forget it, I do myself.
Wow, next life I want to be a woman.
Sign up with Renopedia to get free quotation when you renovate with us and stand a chance to win up to $50,000 in our annual lucky draw. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.